Cheers, my golden galloping gazelles! How are we feeling after that grand adventure? Why are you still looking like droopy sacks of potatoes? I think we're just a little tired, you know? I don't know. Tired from what? What can I do to alleviate the exhaustion? No adventures, for one. Or at least make them more chill, with nothing trying to kill us. Nah, that's boring. Keep the chaos going, Cain. You're doing great. Ugh, that's not what we need. We need to wind down. Humans aren't meant to be this high-strung every day, all the time from these stupid adventures. Well, what usually helps humans to wind down and lower your strings? Alcohol. Oh, how about a room where we can catch and collect bugs? Maybe a library? Therapy. By an actual therapist. Oh, how about a therapy? Oh, that's a great idea. A therapy animal? Well, as the resident animal, how would you like to be a therapy animal, Jax? Out of everyone here, Jax needs the most therapy. How about an actual animal? Like a realistic one that acts like one and doesn't talk? I suppose I could. Can it be a cat? Yeah, sure. Ooh, a cat would be wonderful. Sure, a cat sounds good. Aw, kitty cat. Alright, I'll give you guys a therapy cat. But it's only temporary. I don't want to get NPCs mixed up with you humans. How are you gonna mix us up with literal cats? Alright, here's your therapy cats. Aw, so cute. You actually made him realistic. It's got a little bow tie marking. It's adorable. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ugh. Aw. What? Hey! Jax, please be nice to the cat. Welp, looks like it's my turn to hang out with the stupid cat. No, Jax, don't take it. Jax, you idiot, bring it. Please, no. How is he so fast? Hey, what do you think will happen if I chuck it off the balcony? It'll just safely land on its feet, right? Jax, don't you dare do anything stupid. I'll chuck you off the fucking balcony. Oh, no. Oh, look, Jax got a cat. I didn't even know he owned a cat. You guys are acting like this is a real cat. Well, if you're so worried about this bundle of code, you better catch it. You ready to fly, cat? You're not a real cat. Why did Cain have to make you so realistic? This would be so much easier if you were just stupidly cartoony like everything else in this world. You're not real. You're fake. You were created by Cain to love everyone unconditionally, right? You're not helping anyone. Nothing you do matters. Stupid cat. Go away. Find someone else to bother. Jax, what did you do with the cat? What cat? Jax, seriously, don't throw the cat. What cat? There's no cat. Are you guys high or something?